Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Arna if you're new, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I thought I'd do a get ready with me. I am currently in a hotel room in KL, so I have nothing to do actually. I'm waiting for my husband to come back from Jummah prayer. Let's just get started. Okay, first and foremost, I don't have any mirror with me. I'm expecting this room to have like a vanity mirror, but they don't have. The mirror is actually in the toilet, so I have to depend on this very narrow mirror, and the looks that I'm gonna come up with is very questionable. So first of all, I'm gonna prime my face using the Bona Medusa Orange Skin Lily. I've been using these in every looks I did in my previous videos. So this is just like a silicone primer that will fill in the pores and also help to smooth the face textures. I don't bring any hydrating primer with me, so I'm gonna use this for the rest of my face as well. You can also use this primer on its own without any foundation on top because it doesn't have any white cast, and also it helps to blur the complexion. And let's move on to the next part, which is brow. Today I'm not going to do a soap brow because I didn't bring my soap. I'm just gonna do like fill in my brows as what I would normally do before I started doing soap brows. By the way, I'm using the Rimmel Brow Pro Micro Ultra Fine Precision Pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. And then to conceal the brows, I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer, and I have mine in the shade 130. I love this concealer because it feels hydrating while still providing coverage, and yeah, I just love how easy it is to blend the concealer. Okay, brows are pretty much done. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now using the Canmake Perfect Stylist Eyes. I just bring this small eyeshadow palette because I don't want to bring the large one because I'm gonna stay here for like 2 days or so. And today I'm just gonna do a very easy eye look, maybe just like soft smoky eye look. First, I'm going in with this darkest brown shade here. This one has a sheen to it, it's not fully matte. And then on the center, I'm just going to take this cream shade here. I'm going to go in with this shiny metallic shade on the center. I do have a video full face using Canmake, so you can click up here to watch it. I think that is good enough for a soft smoky eye. And then I'm gonna do a wing eyeliner using the Canmake Quick Easy Eyeliner. This is my current favorite, even though I love the Maybelline. The Maybelline one has a soft spot in my heart, but this one is really easy to use. It's a felt tip, and also it is waterproof. And for my base or foundation, I'm gonna use the Camelia Cosmetics Mermaid Skin Flawless Filter Foundation in the shade Praline. And this shade is actually lighter than my actual skin tone, but I still gonna use it. I did a full face of Malaysian local brands, and you can watch that. You actually can customize the coverage that you want from this foundation. If you want more coverage, you can add more product, but today I just add about 1 or less than that. Today I'm going for a like, I don't know, a BB cream kind of vibe. Now I'm going to conceal the under eyes using the same concealer. So I'm using the same foundation brush to blend this out. Okay, I think I'm happy with my base now. I'm gonna set it with the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. to bronze the face and also apply my blusher using the same palette. This is from Essence Hey Cheeks Blush Bronze and Highlighter palette. I'm going to take this matte bronzer over here. And for the blush, going in with this blusher. And finally the highlight, I'm going to use the Canmake Tokyo Highlighter. This is in the shade L01. I'm going to darken the outer corner of my eyes using this palette. And before I apply mascara, I do want to set my face first using the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Okay, I forgot to bring any lip color, but actually I have this one with me. It's from Focalor Red Wine Blusher, and this is in the shade Tequila. I'm gonna try to do an ombre lips, which I don't normally do that. Got to apply mascara. Gonna use Perfect Lash Mascara from Brina Beauty. And this is the final makeup look. I will bring you guys in front of the window so you can actually see what I look like in natural lighting. So this is it. So bright. So this is the final makeup look. I actually like it. It's natural for like running errands. I'm actually going to go to KLCC to pick up some stuff. So yeah, this is the makeup look. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do a lot of makeup tutorial, makeup review and makeup hauls. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.